Hello and welcome to Toothless Tesla. Today you will see some more crazy drivers, tailgaters and a traffic accident. Woo! See that? There's a traffic jam up ahead and drivers are jockeying for position, moving to what they think is the faster moving lane. I don't mind being stuck behind the truck, although some drivers will go out of their way to avoid sitting behind a larger vehicle that is in front of them. I've speeded up this part of the video because we are moving at about 10 kilometers per hour. However, there are still some interesting observations that we can make. The Kia driver thinks my lane is moving faster and changes back into this lane. This white Toyota Hiace van has a strange relationship with the Mini in front of it because he's tailgating extremely close. This Tesla Model 3 also thinks the right side lane is moving faster and attempts to change lanes, but then he stops because he notices that the two lanes are merging. Basically, the right side exit has been blocked by a traffic accident. The accident involves a large construction truck which has overturned. No doubt the construction truck was speeding. They do this a lot. So to bypass the accident, all the traffic are forced to exit on the left side where there is a roundabout to all routes. Who wants to give way on roundabouts anyway? Not this BMW. The road accident has also caused a traffic jam to grow on the other side of the road too. The following day I was on the same stretch of road, so I will show you the aftermath from clearing up over the overturned construction truck. Usually this easterly traffic flow is light, just like today. And because the traffic flow is usually light, many drivers are lulled into a false sense of security and they will simply speed. I suspect that's what happened to the driver of the construction truck yesterday. He is not the first and he will not be the last driver to speed along this stretch of road and also to crash. In my experience, with these construction trucks, they are pretty scary because they speed way beyond the speed limit. I understand they are working hard, but this is no excuse for them to speed up and put themselves and other road users at risk from their dangerous driving. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay safe.